Join me as I challenge myself to create 3 delicious and healthy meals using only my air fryer. Healthy eating is a top priority for many of us, and for good reason. Eating a balanced diet can boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and even help prevent chronic diseases. But let's be real, it's not always easy. Between busy schedules, picky eaters, and the temptation of junk food, it can be tough to stick to a healthy eating plan. That's where air fryers come in. A revolutionary kitchen appliance that can help make healthy eating easier, faster, and more accessible to everyone. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to eat healthy is finding the time to prepare meals from scratch. We're all busy, and it's easy to fall into the trap of relying on convenience foods that are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Another common challenge is unhealthy cooking methods. Deep frying, for example, is a tasty way to cook food, but it's also incredibly unhealthy. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that healthy food has to be boring and bland, but that's just not true. Healthy cooking methods like grilling, roasting, and air frying can bring out the natural flavors of ingredients and make healthy eating a whole lot more enjoyable. And then there's the issue of meal planning. It can be hard to come up with new and exciting recipe ideas that fit within our dietary restrictions and preferences. Sometimes it feels like we're stuck in a culinary rut, relying on the same old recipes and cooking methods. But what if I told you there was a way to break free from those constraints and unlock a world of healthy, delicious, and easy-to-make meals? Air fryers are incredibly versatile kitchen appliances that can help you cook a wide range of healthy dishes. From crispy vegetables and lean proteins to whole grains and healthy desserts, the possibilities are endless. You can use your air fryer to make healthy versions of your favorite comfort foods like crispy fries, chicken wings, and even donuts. In an air fryer, you can cook everything from steak to salmon, and even entire meals like stir fries and curries. You can also use it to make healthy snacks like veggie chips and roasted chickpeas. And the best part, cleaning up is a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. One of my favorite things to make in my air fryer is a simple chicken breast with roasted vegetables. It's so easy to prepare, and the result is a juicy, flavorful meal that's ready in under 20 minutes. Let me show you just how easy it is. First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, season your chicken breast with some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Place the chicken in the air fryer basket and add your favorite vegetables. I like to use broccoli, bell peppers, and onions. Drizzle with some olive oil and sprinkle with a bit of salt and pepper. Close the basket and set the timer for 15 minutes. When it's done, you'll have a perfectly cooked chicken breast with crispy, tender vegetables on the side. It's a healthy, delicious meal that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. As you can see, using an air fryer can make healthy eating a whole lot easier and more convenient. With its versatility, ease of use, and quick cooking time, it's the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone looking to upgrade their healthy eating game. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have a favorite air fryer recipe, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And if you want to see more healthy cooking videos, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks.